here bringing you another episode. In today's episode, we have a technical analysis on status here. Currently up about 0.14% for the day, just below 10 cents. But we're looking at the BTC value up about 1% for the day, just slightly below 1,300. But really quick though, folks, before we do that, let's go ahead and run through the market. Market cap is sitting at 321 billion. Today's volume is 16.2 billion. Bitcoin dominant sitting at 39.1. Bitcoin down about 1.5%, folks. Slightly below 7,400. Ethereum down 2%, almost 2.5%, sitting at 552. Ripple down 1%, sitting just below 60. Bitcoin Cash down 2. EOS down 2. Litecoin down 2 as well. Cardano up 3. Who are the big winners today? Theta token, wow, up 38. Golem up almost 17. Mithra up 7. Knowles up almost 6. All Sports up almost 5. Coin of the day, or no, sorry, not the coin of the day. Cardano up 3. Our coin of the day is currently up about 0.14. Market cap is sitting at 328 million. Today's volume is 23 million. Circulating supply here, folks, 3.4 billion. 6.8 billion is the total supply. Major exchanges: IDAX, Binance, Upbit, Huobi, OKEX, Etfinex, and Liqui and Bittrex looks like are the major exchanges, along with Hit BTC. Let's go ahead and look at the chart. That's what you folks came here for. So this is BTC to USD on the weekly. I don't know. I have a really strong feeling we're going to be forming a double bottom at this level. However, if we do not hold at this level, I'm still saying 3,000 is our next target. I've been getting a lot of criticism for that. That's all right. That's just a part of the game. But let's go ahead and switch over to the daily, see what the daily's showing us. I'm definitely getting sick, though. I feel a cold coming. So you'll be able to hear it in my voice if you don't already. So what I actually see here on the daily, folks, is an inverse head and shoulders. This is their head, or the head, sorry. Going back up, coming back down. This looks like it's going to be our right shoulder. Expecting us to come up to this level, come back down to find support here at about 8,500, and then head towards the upside. But again, just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor. I'm actually waiting for the daily close above 7,600 here. Once we break and close above 7,600, Bitcoin should be good to go, at least up to 8,500 if you ask me. But that's just my personal opinion, guys. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. Switching over to Ethereum here. Ethereum actually behaving the same way. Looks like we have a potential double bottom here forming on the daily. Bottom 1. And this is actually going to be a whammy double bottom. Bottom 2. And what that usually means is our second bottom is higher than our first bottom. And it looks like that's actually what we're doing. First bottom here at our first major support. Second bottom at our second major support. But what I'm actually waiting for, folks, on the daily for Ethereum is a break and close above 570. Once we break and close above 570 on the daily, Ethereum should be good to go. But again, just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor. One of my favorite coins here, folks, Litecoin to USD on the daily. Coinbase is the broker on this one. Also looks like we have a nice double bottom. Bottom 1, potentially double bottom 2. As you can tell, momentum definitely starting to shift towards the upside after a bunch of consolidation here. But it finally broke up towards the upside, so I'm expecting Litecoin to make a nice little push. Waiting for the break and close above 120 on the daily, folks. Once we break and close above 120 on the daily, Litecoin should be good to go. Let's go ahead and close this one. Oh yeah, it's definitely coming. I'm definitely going to get sick. And last but not least, you folks came here for some status to BTC. Bittrex is the broker. TradingView is the platform. You know, not much really changed here. Double bottom as well. Bottom 1 here. Looks like our potential double bottom, or second bottom here on the right. Let's go ahead and switch over to the 4 hours, see what the 4 hours is showing us. So this is the 4 hour. Oops, let me go ahead and move this. Still kind of, actually, let me just delete that. So bottom 1 over here. And then our second bottom over there. And it actually looks like we formed a double bottom inside this double bottom. So bottom 1, bottom 2. And if we go ahead and take a look at bottom 2 over here, looks like we have bottom 1 and bottom 2 as well. Price broke out of it, came back down. We didn't close above it, however. Came back down to test for support. And it looks like that's actually what we did here at this level. What I'm actually waiting for, folks, is a break and close above 1,300 Satoshis on the 4 hour. Once we break and close above 1,300 Satoshis on the 4 hour, status should be good to go. Let me go ahead and zoom out for you. Delete this trend line because we don't need this. This has been broken. Don't need these levels. Don't know what those levels are doing there. But waiting for the break and close above 1,300 on the 4 hour, folks. Once we break and close above 1,300 on the 4 hour, status should be good to go. Let me go ahead and zoom out for you, show you my 2 targets. Target 1 just above our all-time high here at about 5,000 Satoshis. Not expecting this to be hit until the end of 2018. This bear market did last a lot longer than I expected. Still potentially not over. I'm still waiting for the break and close above 7,600 to give me that confirmation. However, we do have some pretty solid major resistance. Let me go ahead and show you at about 8,500. So once we definitely break and close above 8,500, I think Bitcoin's gonna just move, go from like 8,000 to 20,500 in a couple of days, not even weeks or months, just in a matter of days. Just my personal opinion, but you guys already know. And then my second target here for status is actually about 7,500, and I don't expect this to be hit until about 2 to 3 months into 2019. But that's assuming we actually even hit our first target towards the end of 2018. I do believe we will. Great project, the mobile Ethereum network, one of my favorite coins besides Litecoin and Lumens, and who else? Arc, Golem, Steam, bunch of coins. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to re-Steam, upvote, comment down below what kind of coins you guys are trying to see. If you guys are on YouTube, make sure you guys are subscribed. You have post notifications turned on. I do post a new video every single day. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.